like dogs, some people like cats, some people like fish or rats. A certain few, a certain quantity of the men really, really like cats. Stretching posts and litter boxes, retractable claws and furry paws. Meow. Snuggle fast and when nosy tests, stops at the store for some more cat accessories. Cat accessories. Men with cats. Men with cats. What else but a cat can you ask? The time on Mars, pink kitty cat nails, a neon green, dancing on the table in the coffee bean, dietary oils for that healthy sheen in your kitty coat. Men with cats. Men with cats. Men with cats. Men with cats.